Hello guys, welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you a website where you can make between 0.5 to $1 to up to 5, 6, $7 doing some little task, signing up an account and doing some little things that takes just 2, 3, 4 minutes. And the beautiful thing about this website is you can sign up with your phone or laptop and you can do this task from any country of your choice. And your money will also be paid to you through PayPal account. Open a new browser and type rapidworkers.com. Now come to sign up. Click on sign up. Here put your name, email, password, and select your country. Okay. Click I'm not a robot. Agree and create an account. Save password. Go back to your email. Check for the verification code. Open it. Click the link and verify your account. So from here, click on list available jobs. It's requiring you to sign in again. I am not a robot. Submit, sign in. Here are available jobs that you can do and make some extra money. So from these jobs, if you look down here, you see that this job, international, you can do this job. This one is only meant for people in Canada. This is international, USA, only for people in US, international, US, UK, Norway. Before you do any job, make sure you check. Once it's international, you can select the job. This job, they will pay you 0.45, 2 minutes job. Okay, you can earn good money from this platform. This platform can give you a lot of money. Okay, unlike other platforms that I've been making videos on. This one, you can earn money very quickly. Why I like this particular website, unlike other websites I make video on how you can make money. Yes, you can actually make money on all those sites. But the difference between this one and those sites is most of those sites, what they give you is points. Okay. When you accumulate your points and accumulate your points, you can convert your points to dollars. You won't actually know exactly how much you're making until you try to convert the points that you've made to dollars. That is when you will know the actual amount you're making. And when you convert those points, you will find out that the money is not really worth it. But why I like this particular site is if you see a job, if it's $2, it's $2. If it's $5, it's $5. If it's $7, it's $7. If it's 0.5, it's 0.5. If it's whatever it is, you will see the amount that you're going to be paid in your account. And you can transfer this money to your PayPal. So this one is well defined. And you see and know exactly what you're actually going to make if you perform that particular task. One more thing before we continue. If you're signing up on rapidworkers.com, you must be very conversant with your print screen. Before you take any task, they always tell you to take a screenshot of the task after the task is completed. If you're using a Windows computer, all you need to do is press the print screen button, open Paint, and Ctrl V, paste it in Paint. And the munched image will be pasted in Paint. And if you're using a MacBook, all you need to do is Command, Shift, and 3, and you will munch your laptop screen. So if you look at the jobs here, you can see this one is $1, 2 minutes. This one is $0.4, as in 0.4 cents. Okay, 2 minutes. So from here, you can click any of the jobs. So let's try one. Final sign up, new user. This one is 0.10. I'm not going for this. Let me go for, let's look for something. Let's look for this. This is $1. Cash now. Okay. Click on this. Complete an offer survey. After completing offer survey, you will receive $7. Then take a screenshot as proof. So they're actually telling you what to do. We're actually helping them make more money. Okay, because this $7 is not going to be paid to you. From what I am saying, you're only going to earn that 0.4 to 0.43. That's almost half of a dollar. Okay, but they will be earning more because you're doing this with their referral code. So if you feel this is something you can do and make extra cash, it's a very good way. If you do it maybe up to like 10 to 20 something times, you can get up to like $10. And some of the tasks takes like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And there are different tasks that you can do on this website and make money because tasks are all listed here. You can still refresh it, you know, go back and see the one that they have already done and all that. So from here, you can make, the good thing about this website is their pay is okay, 0.43, 0 point, although you're helping that person to make money, but at the same time, you're making money. And from there, you'll be discovering some other sites that you can also make money because while you're using their referral code, you're making more money for them. They're paying you just a token. But from going to those sites, you'll be getting more information. And maybe there are so many other things they can do in all those sites and also make more money than what you're being paid to go and do on a referral. So guys, if the information I gave you in this video was helpful, hit the thumbs up button. And if you'd like to be seeing this kind of video, and if you're new to my channel, please, my name is Asugha Kingsley, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how you can make money online and some other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. Please don't forget to hit the subscription button and also the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.